Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something special for you. I'm going to show you an app that can help you earn some money by downloading apps or games. So the name of this app is AppNana and it is available on iOS and Android devices. In AppNana, points are called nanas. To get this app on iPhone or iPad, you just need to go to Safari and search for appnana.com/zlatkio, but if you are on Android, go to Play Store and search for AppNana. So you can earn nanas by downloading apps, games, creating an account and visiting AppNana every single day. So now you are wondering, what can I get in AppNana? You can get Amazon, Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, Steam gift cards. Also you can get in-game money for games like GTA 5, FIFA, NFL and NBA. Personally, when I collect some nanas, I will take Google Play Store gift card because I need it for Pokemon Go. Also, I forgot to mention, one of the easiest ways to get 2500 nanas is if you use someone else's invitation code. You and that person can get 2500 nanas, and it's pretty cool. If you do not know where to get invitation code, go to third tab of AppNana called invite, and your code is going to be in a green bubble. If you want, you can share it with your friends, and also you can share it in comment section of this video so that other people can use it. Second tab called Get Nanas is what is most important. You can see what apps and games are available for you to download and what do you need to do to get like some amount of points. First game on my list is called Lords Mobile. If I attack a level 2 monster, I will get 45,000 nanas, and that's insane amount of nanas. Also, if you want, you can follow their Instagram, then you will get 200 nanas. And maybe I didn't mention at the beginning of this video, but if you check out the app every single day, you get 400 nanas, and also if you create an account, you will get 10,000 nanas. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to leave a like or subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share your invitation code in comment section of this video. So yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye.
What a game it was!
Nothing left but inflated egos and wounded pride.